Hey guys, how's it going? I am super excited to be here again. I know it's been too long, like I have been away for the longest time, but I'm happy to be back, right? This is Chika from Gainsville Realty, and I know it's a brand new year. Some of us are still basking in the euphoria of the new year and all the potential that this year, holds out to us, right? Today I wanted to just take time to touch base with everyone, see how you're all doing, and to check in and see what's going on, and especially check in with our investment. So how are we doing? I wanted to talk about the reasons why investing in real estate is still such a great thing. Sometimes it's important to take time to reaffirm to yourself and do a reminder to yourself as to why you do what you do, right? So sometimes as you go further on a particular course, it's important to remind yourself literally, why am I doing what I do? Like what are most pressing, compelling reasons why I do what I do. So as a real estate investor, have you taken time out to ask yourself this year, why am I investing in real estate? Why am I considering investing in real estate, right? So it's important to take stock and check in with yourself and actually ascertain for yourself that you are on the right course when it comes to your investment. So I'm going to make this a series, but today I'm going to talk about one of the biggest reasons why investing in real estate is such a damn good thing, right? So please feel free to like this video, show your girl some love, so that we can continue to churn out and generate content. One of the biggest reasons why you absolutely have to continuously invest in real estate, even in 2022, is low risk. Yes, low risk. I know it's been said, the higher the risk, the higher the reward. I know it's been said, nothing ventured, nothing gained. And I know that there is such a thing as calculated risk, right? But I have had friends cry hot tears that they wish they could wipe away and go back in time and change things. Those tears are so real, especially when the investment is quite a substantial amount. So low risk. Now I know that there's a vast myriad in this day and age. There's a vast myriad of investment options that are open to all of us, right? So there's stocks, for instance, and for a certainty that when it comes to company stocks, the performance of a company to a large extent is determined by the competence of its managers, right? And so when you're investing in stocks, you have to bear that in mind. If you're investing in bonds, bonds are slightly less risk because it's as good as you're loaning a company or you're loaning the government money, right? And you get consistent interest paid to you. Government bonds are way less risk, but of course you know that the interest rates are low, right? And then in this day of crypto and NFTs, people are cashing out big, right? And undoubtedly that is true, but some of us are traditional in the sense where we love investments that we can feel and touch. Look, we want tangible, real life investments that you can see and hold on to and feel. And when it comes to that, real estate is still such a great investment when you're playing in that sphere, because the competence or the success of real estate doesn't depend on on its owners or its property or the property holders. Real estate still holds great allure, especially if you're investing in beautiful, fantastic locations where development is headed. You can be rest assured that the dividends of investing in a smart and verified real estate investment is super key. Land especially. So really and truly, what are the facts of the case? Why land? Land, we know, is a physical asset. Land continues to increase in value, especially when the locations are just top notch, right? Land is also currently in limited supply. In fact, I feel like as population continues to explode, land continues to dwindle in supply. All of these things still hold true. I know they sound very cliche. You've heard them for the umpteenth time. You've heard it a billion times over, but it is still so true. Land is a physical asset. They're not making land anymore, right? And so the success of land does not depend on any one person. It just depends on, number one, the location, if development is headed to the particular area, and if infrastructure supports, that particular geographical location. So for these reasons, land will always continue to be sought after, highly sought after, low risk. That's the permeating idea of why real estate land is still the go-to investment even in 2022. So I'll be sharing more as the days unfold. Please don't forget that if you're thinking, and you should be thinking, I feel like at this point in time I shouldn't be saying if you're thinking, for a lot of us, 2021 came and went like in a jiffy, and sadly, some of us were among the numbers of people who didn't cash in and didn't get the huge bounty that comes from investing in smart real estate investments. And so this year, the year is already beginning to run at an alarming rate. Like, I don't know if it's just me. Usually January is known to be like a 60-day month, right? But if it's already over, it's the 25th of January. So time is of the essence, guys, when it comes to investing in real estate. As we know, prices of everything has skyrocketed, and of course prices for houses and lands are by no means an exemption, because cost of construction materials continues to soar. The exchange rate is nothing to write home about, and so for these reasons and more, prices will continue to increase and soar. And also, don't forget that as you invest, when you invest smart, you continue to enjoy the benefits of appreciation, right? So when you invest in very smart locations, locations that hold potential value, not just here and now in terms of value, but potential. If you see potential in a particular location, you go where people are headed and you wait right there by investing and just setting yourself up for beautiful rewards. Like, look, guys, that's the way to go. Reach out to us for any kind of real estate investment that you're thinking about, whether it's land, whether it's homes. We have properties actively checked out, verified, that play within your budget. So do not hold back. Whether you're a guy, you're a lady, students, for your kids, nobody, really and truly in this day and age, nobody deserves to be shut out from a solid real estate investment. And that goes for you, and that goes for me and my kid and all of my loved ones. Let's win this year. We're going to win together. Okay? All right. So stick around this page. Follow Gainsville Realty for all the scoop on everything real estate and market updates. I'll be furnishing you back-to-back content. So please give your girl some love. Okay, I feel like I've said too much already. Have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.